Hey, Oklahoma City, if you've been thinking about buying or selling home in the next year, let's talk about something that's got everyone in real estate buzzing right now: home prices, and more specifically, where they might be headed. Hi, I'm Jim Black with DXP Realty. Let's look at the national trends and the local impact. Fannie Mae just lowered their home price forecast for 2025. They now expect prices to rise just 3.4% nationwide, down from earlier predictions. And for 26, it looks even slower, just 3.3%. That's a pretty big cool down from the nearly 6% jump we saw in 24. So, what's going on? Honestly, a lot of it boils down to economic uncertainty, inflation, interest rate, and really the uncertainty of the tariff impact. There's a lot of discussion on that. All of these are putting pressures on the housing market. So, what about Oklahoma City? As I am sure you know, here in Oklahoma City Metro, we're not seeing major price drops like some markets in Florida or California, but things are definitely cooling off compared to the last couple of years. Homes aren't flying off the market overnight, and buyers have a little bit more breathing room to negotiate. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. If you're a buyer, it means there could be more opportunities, less competition, and maybe even a price break, or even some seller concessions to help with closing costs. Are you thinking about selling? If you're a seller, this is your heads up. Price growth is slowing, but buyer activity is still strong. Redfin reports new listings are up over 10% from last year. Why? A lot of folks are trying to cash in on the equity before any big economic shifts happen. And here's the wild part: 81% of potential sellers still think they'll get their asking price or more. So confidence is still high, especially here in Oklahoma City, where we've got a solid job market and really an affordable cost of living compared to the coast. So the bottom line, whether you're buying or selling in the Oklahoma City area, Norman, Choctaw, Edmond, Mustang, understanding where the market's headed helps you make smarter moves. Price growth may be slowing, but your game plan doesn't have to. Let's talk about what your next step could look like, whether it's selling while prices are still strong, or buying with a bit more negotiation power in your pocket. I'm here to help you navigate it all without the guesswork. I'm Jim Black with DXP Realty, where serving is my way of selling.